Alright, now Harmon, do you want to see more? Do you want to do more magic? Are you sure? Okay, so now Harmon, please join me here again. It's only Harmon because she is only the celebrant and the apple of the eye today. Alright, so kailangan pasahin talaga natin siya. Hindi lang siya syempre lahat ng guests ni Harmon. Harmon, come over here. Come on, with Tito Fred here on the aisle. Harmon, are you ready for our next magic act?
Yes.
Yes, you are. Okay, so for our next magic act, okay, so you cannot change your outfit muna, Harmon, your second outfit or OOTD this day. And now, let's choose one volunteer from the adult, okay, sa mga youngster natin. Okay, tanungin natin si Mami. Ayan, Mami. Okay, sa imong gusto mag-volunteer din sa tubangan? Hindi, joke lang. Babae, syempre. Alright. Okay, kinsa ma'am? Sige. Ayan. Ay, si Sharon! Ayan lang si Sharon. Sige. Halika din rin, Sharon. Sige. Muna butis si Sharon. Butis. Dali. Busog lang. Sharon, dali ka. Ayan. Mura, alam na, kabalo ka na? Dili. Wala pa, no? Hindi siya nakapanood ng ano naman. Sige, dito ka lang, Sharon. Sharon, ready na?
Ready na.
Isog ka?
Isog.
Sige, tingnan natin gano'ng kaisog si Sharon, ha? Nagdala ko dito ng sundang para kay Sharon. Sharon, ganito ang proseso natin, ha? Okay, I'm gonna insert the sundang or the sword in your mouth, okay? Second, you're going to swallow the sword. Dululukin mo yung espada or yung sundang. Ayan, going down to your esophagus. Okay, ready na? Joke lang. Ayan, sige. Naami dire. Ayan. Table. Brown table, black tablecloth, and empty pot. Okay, so meaning to say, na ay kulang. Ayan, so there's a missing object for this pot. So, tarungan pagunit ha, paghatag ko sa imo ha, okay? Because this object is very expensive all the way from US. If maguba, magbabayad ka. Okay, kasabot? Okay, good job. Okay, so ready na? Okay, this is a magic wand. Okay, magic wand for you and magic wand for me. Dalawang magic wand. O sige, gunitin. Kuha ko lang yung magic wand ko. Ayan, tarungan paggunit, Sharon. Pag-count ka ng 1, 2, 3, mag-wave tayo ng magic wand. Ready, in 3, 2, what happened? Yun sa mo ang magic wand na yan, ano, kinaguba, magbabayad ka unya, kay joke lang, okay. So this time, sige, ito na talaga, yung hindi scam, hindi fake na magic wand, alright? So bago ko yatag sa mo, itatap ko muna ito, pat natin in 3. 3, 2, 1. Okay, birahon ang magic wand, pataas. Okay, in 3, hinay-hinay lang, slowly but surely. Ito yung pakita sa tanan. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Sige, don't be scared. I want look. Clap your hands for Ate Sharon. Wow! Okay, hindi yun yung magic natin, Ate Sharon. Warm up pa lang yan. So this time, gawin na natin ang tinood na magic. Okay. Kung sa'yo mo gusto matabo sa table? Mahimong og, ano?
Bako.
Bangko. Ayan. Okay. Eto, tanungin natin si ate. Kung tataw kay ate. Kung sa'yo mo gusto matabo sa table, ate? Oh! Ayan. Dahil ikaw nakaisip, ikaw gagawa. Hindi, joke lang. Ayan. Okay. Gusto niya mag-float. Para sa ako ng table, tama ba? Maglupad. Ayan. Levitate. Okay. Sige, gawin natin. Kaya ba?
Kaya.
Kaya naman, ayan. Basta nandito raw ako, nandito yung magician. Sige, bago natin gawin, papakita ko muna sa iyo. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, before we start, let's all clap our hands for our magician mother, Ate Sharon, or Tita Sharon. Here we go.
Don't go out. Don't go. Mama.
Ate, kids, watch. Open your eyes.
Walang tanan din. Ano ka? Pati ano ba na? Nandito sa gilid,
Okay, kids, watch. I'm gonna do it.
Ito, gilid.
Hi, sir.
It's only the table, everyone. Thank you so much. Alright, kids, I have a surprise for you before I sign off. Okay, so who wants to play with Tito Fred? Raise your hand. Isa gusto magdula. Okay, everybody stand up. Tinto katanan, kids. Everybody stand up. And let's play while I'm doing the last magic act. Alright? Are you kids ready? Yes, you are. Okay, kids, I want you to follow only our background music. And I have a surprise for you here.
Bubble.
automatic is very pagwa. Also, based on the last at the city south of the Gapon, tuloy nagawa ng pananidyo the fifth ever birthday celebration of Teresa Harmon. Thank you so much, everyone. Maraming salamat.
Dame un Sa gilid ka muna. Sige. Ayan, sige. Ang ating celebrate na muna. Pagilid muna kayo, friends. Ayan, pagilid muna other kids. Ayan, let us witness na muna. Ayan. Okay, go in 3, 2, 1, baba! Wow, get one! Get one! Ay, bawal muna. Get one! Wow! Lahat muna mga kuha, lahat! Ayan. Oh, okay, done. Sige. Okay, ayos na. Okay, ayos na ba? Nakakuha na ba silang lahat? Okay, now! And once again, a happy birthday to our celebrant, baby Jerizabeth Harmon. Ayan, okay, up na muna, up. Ayan now, change age bracket tayo. Ayan. Okay, tapos naman po